I'm pretty sure if we go right, it goes into more rocks. If we go left, there's trees.
This is really terrible.
So, now that we've made it out into the wilderness, we make sure that we have our provisions. Whenever going out into the wilderness, you're gonna need condiments. Like this, liquids. Then we have hydration blue and snacks. This way you can get back down from the wilderness and be alive.
Turn towards me. There's totally cars in the back.
Look at this huge boulder! It's so big! No way! There's an even bigger one over there! Come on!
As you can see, this is a plant. Plants are dumb and they can't eat. And this is nature!
Walk! Oh.
Just say nature. I'll try one more time.
This is nature! Nature walk. Behind us are really neat rocks. These rocks over here form from water. It falls out of the sky and it makes it to look like a Mexican pastry. It's pretty sweet.
So right here we have a prime example of where we're hiking, the Pineapple Rock Formations. As you can see, long ago, billions and billions of years ago, when the earth was a ball of fire, the rocks jutted up out of the ground when there were huge earthquakes and pineapples. Let's go.
These rock formations formed over 100 years. Sometimes it's really cool to have your binoculars to take a good look.
That was quite the climb. Here, we're in the middle of a conglomeration of these rocks. And as you can see, there's slime moss, the technical term for it, all over the place.
We can be narrating, like during this kind of thing, you know?
Yeah.
Should I kind of make it move, like walk towards a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
You see that one?
Yeah.
See that one? It's in better view.
I see him.
At any time, this boulder could fall and crush me. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Nature.
Dude, I don't know where we are right now, but I think we're gonna go through a dark cave.
It's pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet cave. Come on. We're going through a cave right now.
As you can see, this cave is dark and it's pretty weird.
My butt's too big.
Caves are known to be scary and have bats in dark areas.